Need an extra set of hands in the shop? Armor Tools' new Jig Bracket will give your old jig the armor advantage in one simple upgrade. This jig allows you to incorporate Armor's one-handed clamping technology into more aspects of your shop, but most importantly, can give your jig auto-adjusting capabilities in just a few minutes. Installation is simple. Remove the stock clamp from your jig by unscrewing these 4 screws. Replace it with the Armor Tool Jig Bracket using the same screws. Then attach your Armor Auto Adjust T-Track clamp to the bracket. Now your jig's been upgraded with Auto Adjust capabilities. No more resizing and estimating the correct thickness. Just clamp and go. This unique bracket can also give you unlimited clamping solutions when adapted for homemade jigs or mounted to a workstation. And the Armor T-Track clamp itself uses a standard 5/16 T-bolt that can fit most conventional T-Tracks, allowing for multiple uses. As with all Armor tools, the T-Track clamps feature our patented auto-adjust technology that allows you to adjust to your desired clamping pressure, but can reach pressures up to 550 pounds if needed. Innovation, quality, and efficiency. Give your shop the Armor advantage and arm your shop with Armor Tools.